This is what my last straw game looks like when I play it. So I'm actually going to play it in full screen mode there. I'll click full screen and I'll start a new game. It tells me click a new game to begin. So there we go. And it randomly selects some number of straws between 10 and 20. And it tells me it's my turn to pick. User's turn to pick. I can pick 1, 2, or 3 straws. I'll pick 3, so that gives me 9. And the computer's thinking, yeah, it picked 3, so there are 6 left. I'll pick 1, so now there are 5. And the computer picked 2, so now there are 3. And I'm going to lose the game, so you can see what happens if I pick 3. Yeah, game over, I lost. Now, it won't let me pick any more, right? It says you can't pick more straws than the number remaining. So your program needs to prevent the user from picking more straws than there are left. Let's play another new game. So there's 17. It's my turn. I'll pick 3 or 14. The computer picks 1. So there's 13. I'll pick 3 again. And I'm going to do one where maybe I win. All right, there are 6 straws left. I'm going to pick 1. So there are 5. The computer picks 1, so there are 4. I'm going to pick 3. And game over, I won. So there you have it. So let's take a look at the code. I'm going to give you this code to get started, and then all you really have to do is complete 3 functions. One function for the user's pick, and one function for the computer pick, and one function to start the new game. So let's see what happens here. So there's a function called pick, right? If the user clicks 1, 2, or 3, it runs the function called pick. Now this is the user's pick function, and it passes the number either 1, 2, or 3. And you know how to deal with that. So it's passing a parameter either 1, 2, or 3. Your function needs to figure out, well, if they clicked pick 1, you're going to subtract 1 straw, 2, they subtract 2 straws, 3, subtract 3 straws, as long as there are enough straws remaining. So you got to figure that out. Oh, and then of course, underneath where it says computer picked, I have an ID here, which, yeah, you're going to have to get element by ID to figure out either to read or write to this little area right here, and straws remaining, of course. Also, you're going to have to update that. So there's an ID for that as well. And then I have another button called new game. When you click new game, it's going to run the function to new game and randomly select how many straws to start with, somewhere between 10 and 20 new straws. And that's about it. I'm going to give you, again, this part of the code, and I'll probably write some comments inside the functions to give you a little hint, telling you what they're supposed to do. Oh, one thing, the function called userPick is actually going to, or rather the function called pick, which is the userPicks function, is going to call the computer pick function, so the computer knows how to pick. All right, this is a little bit of a trickier program, but you know what? At this point in the year, you guys can do it. And thanks so much for watching.